Martina Dwamena is a Ghanaian-born sensational character, popularly known to many on social media as Asantewaa. She was born on 1st June 1994. This gorgeous screen diva hails from Accra near Obuasi in the Ashanti region of Ghana, but was born in Accra. The 27-year-old professional nurse and brand influencer was named after her lovely grandmother, Asantewaa, whom by her chest she grew up. The TikTok queen would not really like to stress more about her family, but it is rumored to the public that she is a legitimate daughter of Ghanaian's legendary Ko Ofori, a prolific and exceptional actor from the Efiewura TV series. According to her, both parents had been married until her mother passed on, but her father did not take another wife. Asantewaa got married at a greener age that makes her look like she's not. But the truth is that she has been married for 4 years now, since 2017, and wants to keep her husband from showbiz because he is not a social media personality. Asantewaa had her primary education at Happy Home Basic School, her junior high school at the Kaswa Pentecost School, and later joined the Winneba Senior High School. Having so much passion for nursing, Asantewaa moved further to offensive nursing training right after secondary school. That's where her dream was realized. The TikTok star confessed that her best school memories were the time she used to take the first and second position in class. That made her earn awards. She said, "Any award made me like school more as the day elapsed." Asantewaa is a nurse by profession, an actress, brand influencer, and an entrepreneur. To her, being a health worker has been a childhood dream, but acting is her passion. Her dreams become a reality, and there are bigger dreams in the future, like being a medical doctor to be able to diagnose and cure diseases. Asantewaa has won 2 awards so far in her career and looking forward to win a lot more. These awards include the Actress of the Year, TikTok Queen of the Year, that's social media entertainment. Aside the numerous social media attention and fan base system, she has enjoyed and continue to attract a lot of recognition and more ambassadorial deals for herself on the line of success. Asantewa's hobby is reading. She loves to read anything she sees readable: newspapers, books, documentaries, etc. Asantewaa believes that if any man wants to make it in this life, then it requires that all eyes and ears are closed and shut against any form of distraction and discouragement. Asantewaa said, "Believing in myself and appreciating myself, everything I do must be nice for me, else it shouldn't come out for people to see."